Good evening. Haven't done a YouTube stringing video in quite some time, but I'm particularly excited about this product that I read about and saw on YouTube in the fall of 2019 by a company called Xpider. There'll be a link in the description. And basically they created a different type of clamp base for a stringing machine, and so press down versus swivel motion for typical clamp bases that you'll find in stringing machines. So I made an order for this back in December, and Xpider doesn't directly ship to general consumers, so they put me in contact with their North American distributor, Unique Sports. They do Tourna stringing machines and tennis equipment, so I purchased the clamps through them. It's $200 per clamp base, $400 for the pair, so those prices are in US dollars, so you have to factor in exchange, customs and duty if you're shipping this internationally. So I'm going to open this product. It finally arrived. It was a 6-month wait, so I'm really excited. It's in bubble wrap, so it's nicely packaged. Let's see. Allen keys to adjust the clamp base. Very nice that they include the tools. Washers. And here's one clamp base here. So there's 3 ways to unlock once you have tightened the clamp. So I'll just use, for example, this is my Toyozouki fixed clamp. So here, so if it was clamped, if I want to release it, let the gravity to release it. The other way is if it's locked, you can press this button here and this will unlock the clamp. Or you just slide your thumb or finger underneath here, lift it up, and it will unlock the clamp base. So 3 ways to unlock. Let's open the other one. More washers. Here's the other clamp base. Here. Here. So these clamp bases are going to be installed on my Gamma 6004 machine. It's heavily updated now. So this was probably the final piece of upgrades I was going to do to this machine. This is just a short unboxing video. I'll have a separate video for once this is installed of my machine and testing it out on Badminton racket. So I'll have check the links in the description for Xpider, Uniquesports. Thank you for watching.